Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ravi Dhaba Programming. So in this session, I'm going to give the example that how you could share the result from a particular thread to another thread, or you could say that this is the explanation of the example of the volatile keyword that I'm going to use it. So I'm going to change it, change the current example, volatile. Let's say volatile keyword. So here I'm going to declare one variable, public, say volatile int count equal to 0. So this is the example. I'm going to remove this. We don't need here. So inside the run method, what I'm saying is count equal to 100. Let's say 100. So this is the count variable. So here what I'm going to do is, like, I'm instead of passing direct class constructor, I will create on one object here, thread 1 thread 1 equal to new thread 1. So I will pass this instance here, and I will start it, the thread 1, and I will also t1, no, it calls join method, so that I could complete and retrieve that value. So to access this volatile int variable, I need to create one getter method header with the public accessibility. So I will say public int get count, and I will simply return that value, return count, whatever it is. And here what I'm saying is system.out.println, and I'm saying count value plus thread 1 dot get count. Right, I'm removing this part. So I need to see this class thread moderator example control F, this one dot java. Here I'm saving it to screen, cls java c thread volatile must be caught. Okay, I need to declare the try catch here. So let's say try space catch. I'm just declaring the generic exception. You could add the interrupted exception here. Exception example. I'm not adding anything inside the catch. Java thread volatile example. If you see, right, thread 1 is running, thread 1 execution completed here, and I could get this value from which I'm setting inside the run method to this, and from the get method I could access it. So if I wanted to use this value inside the thread 2, I could actually use it. That is what the benefit of it. So if I wanted to use it, what I could do is, like, I could create another example. Let's say thread 2 equal to thread 2 equal to new thread 2. Let me pass this. So I have to create one constructor here. Thread 2, say int count, and I have to pass that local variable somewhere here. Public, let's say private int count semicolon. So I will say this dot count equal to count. So this will be located here. So I could use it something like this dot count, and passing it here, and instead of directly calling it here, I could do it like I could pass this here thread 2. Right, let me save this, compile this. See, thread 2 is running, and because I have passed that value as an argument, so I could utilize it. So this is how you pass, the value between the two threads, and you could get the value from some execution response from the thread 1, or it could be anything, like we could pass it from the thread 2 to thread 1 as well. So this is how you utilize the volatile and the thread, and you could implement it. This is the end of this topic. For more videos like this, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video with another interesting topic. Thank you for watching my videos.